I throwing you off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stop for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you.
Hi my girlies, it's your girl Tiera.amber and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a wig install video. This wig is from Jessieswig. This is their curtain bang natural wave 7x5 20-inch closure wig. And when I tell you this wig is everything, it was so easy to install. When I say beginner friendly, if you do not know what you're doing when it comes to wigs, I highly recommend this one because I honestly felt like I did barely anything to it to achieve this look. The whole time it took me to install and curl and everything was probably around 20 minutes. And honestly, that's just me doing stuff to make the video a little bit longer. It's really giving plop on your head and you're good to go. You are ready to walk out the door. The first thing I noticed when it came out the box was that this hair is really dark. It's giving jet black. And so if you're a person who doesn't like a 1B or like a natural color, you have to have your jet black hair. This is a wig where you do not have to dye. You don't have to touch it really because this hair is super dark. It's really nice that you don't have to dye it or anything. You also do not have to bleach this wig. I just put some makeup on the lace and everything looks great to me. Of course you could bleach it if you want to be a little bit extra and if you want to do like a real full-on install. I love how big the parting space is on this wig. You can do a lot with a 7x5 closure, okay? It does come in this middle part, and with the closure being so wide, temple to temple, you can easily put it to the side and create a side part situation. Ooh, which is kind of given, I'm not gonna lie. If you're not new to my channel, y'all know that I love a side part. I decided to keep the middle part just so that I could do a little something different for you guys, but I absolutely love that you have the option between going from middle to side. As far as security, this wig comes with an elastic band, it comes with combs, and that's all you pretty much need. I just used a little bit of lace spray and that is all. And as you can see, this wig isn't going anywhere, okay? The hair is very soft, it's very buttery. I did experience a little bit of shedding, but nothing major. Overall, out of a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this wig a solid 8.5. The only reason why I'm taking points off is because I am getting a little bit of shedding, and I do feel like the density of this wig could be a little thicker. But other than that, this wig is so nice. It's just nice to have a wig that I can just throw on when I'm in between hairstyles. And then also you can put this hair up with the bangs. Like, are you seeing that? That is so cute. This wig is very versatile and I just love it. I'm going to stop talking y'all heads off so we can get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and let's get into it.
I'm so confused. Thought I had it right this time. Said he did too, but I guess not this time. I don't know what he wants from me. I offered him all of me. I don't know what he wants from me. He's loving me partially, and I just can't do this no more. I know I deserve it more. I can't do this no more. I don't know what he wants. Time can only tell how long I'm in the sun. My eyes can only tell when I'm thinking sun. Like how good we might be together. Like how I could see it forever. But if you don't think so, then let his favorite. Tuesday says he hates me. On Wednesday I'm his lady. On Thursday it's a maybe. On Friday I'm the hottest. Saturday I'm not it. On Sunday I'm the greatest thing, but not for him, just not for him. Oh, I know I deserve way more. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what he wants.
Alrighty, that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys consider purchasing this wig for yourselves. All the information on this wig will be in the description box, as well as the coupon codes that you guys can use to get a little bit of money off. Again, I highly recommend this wig. It actually exceeded my expectations, and I cannot wait to play around with it some more, do different styles and do different looks with it. So I am very pleased. If you made it this far into a video, comment below little ocean emoji. My pajamas that I'm wearing is like sea inspired, ocean inspired. If you made it to the end of the video, comment below 3 ocean wave emojis so that I can know who's really rocking with me. Anyway, I appreciate you guys like always. I love you. God loves you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell if you want to be notified anytime I post. And I will see you in my next one. Mwah.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you.